My dear student, welcome to revisionuji.com. This is our fourth segment under revision Ple 2025. In this segment, we are now going to be looking at numbers like number 25, 25, 26, 27, 28 up to there. So please, thank you for making it revisionuji.com. Remember to subscribe, follow, like, share, and most importantly, you have to comment. Don't forget to comment. Okay, now in this segment, now let us get to see how number 25 was what are today. It was very easy. Okay, without wasting a lot of time, let us dive in. Revisionuji.com. As usual, it is your teacher Hakim. All right, no need to stress when Revision Uji is just there, just a tap, share, like, comment. Okay, what was number 25? Number 25, we know. Yali namba nyangu nnyo katugirabe egamba etya nti in a class always when you get this one, where is your mind running to? The mind is going to set concepts, right? So in a class, some people like either music or debating. So this one is word problems. You have to read and understand every concept, every word given in a statement, in a question, right? So they're telling us that one more time. In a class, some people like music, or no, I'm repeating one more time. In a class, some people like either music or debating. 35 people like music and 15 people like debating only. 35 people like music and 15 people like debating only. 17 people like music but do not like debating. B people neither like music nor debating. The total number of people who do not like music is 28. Represent the given information on a Venn diagram. You are earning 4 marks. Now in this question, they did not give us the Venn diagram, so it was us to get it from scratch. So you have to draw your classroom. So this is our classroom building. Now in this classroom, we are now having members, and now these members divide themselves into two groups. One group is taking in M, that is music, and another group is going in for the debate, and we don't know how many members are there. Now when you look at this, they are telling us that 35 people like music, meaning that when you look at the section for music, all of this one, a number of members who like music, they're 35, meaning that all these ones are there 35 members. Then 15 like debating only. So a number of music complement, they are going to be number not music complement, number of those ones who like debating only, then this is going to be a 15. That is music minus debating. Now this is going to be 17 only. So is it 17? 17? 15, sorry. We are going to put our 15 here. Then from here, they are telling us that 15 people like debating only, which is here. Then 17 people like music. They like music but do not like debating. Now when you look at this 17, when you look at 17, they like music but do not like debating, meaning that 15, they like music, meaning that number of music only, those ones who like music only, they are going to be 15. So they like music but not debate. So it is this music minus debate. So we remain with music only. So they are going to be the 17 members here. So now when you look at this one, what comes into your mind? We have these ones who like both of them. But now when you look at this, all this is set here, all of this is set here, this is set for music, meaning that when we add what is here plus what is here, we are getting 17. So let us first make this one to be y. So when I want to get the value of y, it's going to be y plus 17. I'm getting 35, which is going to be now y plus 17 minus 17 is equal to 35 minus 17. So 35, we are going to get our side work somewhere here. 35 minus 17. So this is going to be 15, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, which is going to be an 8. This is a 2. This is 18. Now, meaning that the members who like both music and debate is going to be, oh, sorry, let me bring it back here. Members who like both here, it's going to be 18 here, meaning that when I add 17 plus this one, I'm getting 35. So our value of y is going to be 18, and 18 is representing those ones who like both music and debating. Now, to get a number of those ones who like debate, the total number of debaters, we are now going to get 18 plus the 15. So 18 plus 15 here, 8 plus 5, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 13. Then we add on here. Maybe someone will be complaining, you're not saying. So this is 18, then 18 plus our 15. So this is 13. We put here, this is going to be 33. So the members here, they are going to be 33. Let us continue. Then they're telling us that B pupils like neither music nor debating. So B pupils are going to be here. Then after looking at this one, they're telling us that the total number of pupils who do not like music is 18. So the total number of members who do not like music is 18, meaning that when you look at the 15 members, they do not like music. Then the other B members do not like music. So when you add this and this, they are giving us 18. Therefore, B plus 15, we are getting a total of 28. Therefore, then this is going to be B plus 15 minus 15 is equal to 28 minus the 15. Therefore, B members are going to be, so we are going to have our 28 here, our 28 minus the 15. So 8 minus 5, this is a 3, and then 2 minus 1, this is a 1. So B members are 13. So there are 13 members here who do not like, who do not like neither of this. Therefore, we have finished to make our Venn diagram. So the value of B here is going to become 13. Therefore, part B is telling us that calculate the total number of pupils in a class. Therefore, to get the total number of pupils in a class, we are now going to add 35, all of this set here. All of this set here, we are now going to have 35 members, and then plus, because we have all these, then plus 15 and the B members. Now when you add 15 and B members, that is 28. So you can do it like that. Let me increase, we get some space here. Then when we get our side work, 35 plus 28, this is giving us 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and this is 13, then this is 5, 6, so it is giving us 63 members. If you don't do this one, you can also go ahead and add all the members. You can just come in, you add 17 plus the 18 intersection plus 15 debate only plus 13 the neither. When you add all of this, you are now going to come up with a total of a total of 63. So there were 63 members. All right, now let us come to number 26. 26, it is what I'm saying, it is about bearing. Yeah. It is about bearing. So they're saying that the figure below is an accurate drawing of the positions of the three buildings in a trading center. A scale of 1 centimeter to represent 50 meters was used. Study the diagram and answer the questions that do follow. Now let us first balance here. We just get the questions clearly. So with the first question, they are telling us that state the bearing of the church from the mosque. We have the church. This is the church. Then the church from the mosque. The church from the mosque. Now, where are you now? You are at the church. You are at the mosque going to the church. So from where are you from? You are here. You are here now from the church. From the mosque. The church from the mosque. So you are at the mosque going to the church. So the bearing they want us to do, it is this one. Remember, this is the true bearing, whereby we need to understand how the bearing is moving. Bearing is moving from north, going down, and is clockwise. So when you look at this one, it is very easy. So when you look at this, these are two parallel lines. So when you look at this angle 30, it is alternating with this one here. If now this is 30 degrees, what is going to be here? So it is 90 minus 30. So we are now going to get 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. What are we getting? 60 degrees. So the bearing of the church from the mosque is it is n 60 degrees, or it is 0 60 degrees, because this one is for ordinary bearing. Then for true bearing, it is 0 60 degrees. It carries 3 digits there. Then another one here, they are telling us that the state the bearing of the church from the hospital. So the church from the hospital, so we are at the hospital here. So we are now going to draw our campus well. Then this is the hospital. Now from the hospital going to the church, remember we said we move and in a clockwise direction. We are going to move like this. So as we are moving like this one, what is here? This is 180. What is this one? This is 90. Then when look at this 140, all this one is, this is 140. But now when look at this 140, all of this one is this one, all this, it is 180. Are you getting? All this one is 180, as this one being 180. What is going to be here? This is 90 plus some angle here. So when you look at this angle is alternating to this one. Remember, from here up to here, it's going to be 180. Up to here, it's going to be 180, right? But now from here up to here, it is 140. So what does this mean? Meaning that the balance here, it is going to be it's going to be 40 degrees, which is now going to be alternating to this. If now this one is 40 degrees, what is this one going to be? Then this one is going to be 50 degrees. So we are going to get 180 plus 90 plus our 50 degrees. So therefore 180 plus 90 okay, let us add it here. This is 90, then plus 5, then 0, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now this is 22. We put our 2 here. It becomes 320. So the bearing of the hospital, of the church from the hospital, it is 30. It is 320 degrees here. Okay, now they are telling us that find in meters the shortest distance from the hospital to the church in meters. Now what we are going to do, I'm guiding you. You are now going to draw to join from here. Then you make this shortest distance, you join here. Then after doing this one, get your ruler and a pair of dividers. You measure. Now what you measure here, for example, I'm just giving you an assumption. Suppose this one is I've measured maybe maybe 10 centimeters here. Now 10 centimeters. After getting this one, you have to convert then from here, whereby they're saying that 1 centimeter is equivalent to 50 meters. Then how about the 10 centimeters you've got? So this is going to be 10 times 50 meters, which is going to be 500 meters. So the shortest distance is going to be 500 meters. Accordingly. So this one depends on what you've measured, but that one has been an assumption. So according to what you have measured is going to give you what is here. So you just use the real instruments, you measure well, you convert, then you are good to go. Okay, now let us come to our number 27. This is okay. Now let us move on and see number 27. Number 27. It is a logical number. It is very easy to do. Let us now take it step by step. It is saying that a businesswoman paid 800,000 for 10 goats. She sold 6 of the goats at 110,000 each. Calculate the price which she should sell each of the remaining goats in order to make a total profit of 25% here. So as we are reading through this, it is very easy to understand. We are looking at now percentage increase, decrease, and so on. So let us now first line out here. Now what was the buying price for the lady? The lady bought all the 10 goats at 80. Sorry, not 80. Bought all of them at, sorry. The lady bought all the 10 goats at 800,000 shillings here. Then after this one, she sold 6. So there were 10 and she sold 6. So the remainder, there were 10 goats. But again, as she was selling 6 goats, each goat was sold at 110,000. So 6 goats, the amount of money she sold them. Now this is 60 times 110,000 shillings, which is 66,000 shillings for all of them. Now after doing this one, they're telling us that as she's selling them, she has to make a profit of 25%, meaning that we are going to get a percentage increase, the profit increase. Now the profit increase, the profit percentage, sorry, this is from 100 then plus 25, then this is giving us 150%, 125 what a percent. Kitegeeza nti when it is 125% here, we need to know how much money the new the cost price, the total amount of money she's going to collect after selling all of them with this profit of 25%. Therefore, this is going to be 125 out of 100 times 800,000. Then with this 00, we'll go with this 00. So we are going to have our 128, 125 by 8. This is 40, we put here. This is 16, this is 20, we put here. This is 10. So we are going to get 1,000. We add on our 3 zeros. Then she has to sell it, she has to make the selling price, the total amount of money from all that 10 goats, she has to get 1 million. Then from that 1 million, we'll subtract off the 800 which was used to buy, then the profit of 20%, which is 25 there. Therefore, after doing this one, then let us now get to know out of this 1 million so far she has earned how much money. So out of the total 1 million, 1M here, she has already sold 660,000. What is now the remaining money? Now she has to get, this is a 9, a 10, this is a 4, 9, this is a 3, then this is a 3. So she has to again to make the money that is 334,000 shillings here, meaning that now this is 34,000, it's for the remaining 4 goats. Therefore, the 4 goats she has now, she has remained with, she has to get a total of 334,000. Now this is 34,000. Then these are for 4 goats. Then how about 1 goat here? It's going to be 334,000 divided by 4. By 1, how many 4s are here? They are going to be 8, that is 32. We remain with 1. How many 4s are here? They are going to be how many 4s are here? How many 4s are here? 4s, there are 3 4s. Is it 3? There are 3 4s. This is 32 remain, this is 14, this is 4, 4, 8, 12, 3, and then we remain with Ivan